Thank you for coming to my chiropractor office. I am not gonna lie to you. This is the worst case I have ever seen. Your posture is terrible. It's gonna be painful, but I think we can do it. Okay, so take a deep breath in and you're gonna feel this one on your base. So I need you to breathe slowly on 3. 1, 2, 3. So this one's gonna hurt the most, but you're gonna feel so much relief. On 3. Ooh, all right, just breathe, breathe. All right, that should do it. Look at that. You look brand new. How do you feel?